going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. We have Bitcoin and crypto has moved slightly up, but as I'm doing this video, we are pulling back. We do see the actual yield rates are slowly creeping up. Now, we have one of the largest Ethereum mining pools starts a new staking service, but this is not available for United States miners. Now, the new service offered via Bitfly enables Ethermine members to collectively stake their Ethereum and earn interest on top of their deposits. And we see Ethereum futures liquidation go sky high. Over 140 million liquidated in the past 24 hours. And when you look up Ethereum futures, we see how volume has left. And if you checked out my video last night of Jim Cramer is telling you to sell everything. And guys, we know when it comes to Jim Cramer, we do the opposite. But guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, which the front end is being pushed down, but the back end is rising. And then, of course, guys, we have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. We have Morgan Stanley says stablecoin market cap is contracting again. And guys, we know when we were in the bull market, we saw stable coins being funded and the rest of the crypto went up. We know how they manipulate the market. And the same thing when we saw cryptos move down, we saw the market cap of these stable coins move down. This is all ran by an algorithm. This makes it much easier for the NWO. Remember, blockchain gives the NWO the all-seeing eye. And then, guys, of course, we have the Fed. We know the Fed is going to be raising rates on September 21st. And then plus, guys, we know they're going to be rolling off this balance sheet. But what they did was they put a safety valve in. Another repo being launched to make sure these banks stay liquidated. And that's the reason why it's so important for people to understand finances. If they knew what was going on, guys, none of this would work. But because they're so distracted on things that don't matter, their life is about to change forever. The robots, algorithms, and drones are going to take over the economy while the sheep go inside the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. And you know I give you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts, but it sets you free. And don't forget, FedNow is also going to be tested next month in September. And then, guys, we have Grayscale move down slightly. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocations. But getting over into a little crypto news, we have Arbitrum implements the largest scaling upgrade. Now moved up to Nitro. Now we have Avalanche token gets a rebound after the fake news. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But going through this bear market, we're going to have a lot of fake news that's going to dump crypto. And if you're able to take advantage, take advantage. You're going to have pumps and dumps in this bear market. Now we have a mystery whale owns 50% of Axie Infinity's SLP supply. And guys, I thought you had to earn that. How they ended up with 22 billion, someone needs to explain that to me. Now we have Brazilian crypto exchange Bitrue.com launches trading platform using Nasdaq cloud-based technology. And this platform is going to have its own token. Trade to earn. Guys, everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain and then plus give you rewards. We know they need that carrot in order to bring the masses over. And lastly, we have Andreessen, my God, wants to standardize NFTs by giving you a license for your token. And they say this is going to help with intellectual property rights. But guys, we know this goes much further when it comes to these NFTs. Because once you attach a smart contract, you're talking about real estate. You're talking about the court system. And anything of value that needs a contract or a commodity. If you can use your imagination, you know where the NWO can take these NFTs when you're looking at blockchain and smart contracts. And remember, the crypto teacher told you because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks, you have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks. To see where the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.